What's up, fools? I just went to Dairy Queen, didn't I? I did. Doesn't want to talk. I don't know why. We got the freaking Reese. What is this called? You have to speak. What is it?
Reese Pieces cookie dough.
Reese Pieces cookie dough. Freaking ice cream. I know I look a mess, but it's like nighttime, almost time for bed, so mind your business. But yeah, so we're freaking chowing down on some ice cream, folks. It's freaking yummy. Hope you guys are having something yummy. And until next time, always remember, be happy, be healthy, and ignore all the fools in your life, okay? See you later. Bye.